Hello class. So till now we have finished off with lesson number 4, Satya, watch out. Now this is English workbook, page number 11, lesson number 2, Satya, watch out. Read this passage carefully and answer the following questions that follow. So here this is a story about the penguins. In this story about penguins, how do they live, what they eat, it's all given in this story. So, penguins are birds with black and white feathers and a funny walk. Penguins are birds with black and white feather and a funny walk. Penguins spend much of their time under water, searching for food in the oceans. Maximum of the time penguins spend their time in underwater for food. When they are in water, they dive and flap their wings. When they are in water, what they do? They dive and they flap their wings. It looks just like they are flying. How birds fly, you all know? Yes. So when the birds are flying in the sky, they are just looking like these penguins when they are diving in the water and flapping their wings. The only time penguins fly is when they jump out of water. Only when the penguins are flying, only when they jump out of water. Penguins will often do this to get some air before diving back down for fish. Now penguins are doing what? Penguins will often do this to get some air before diving back down for fish. Again what they do, after some time they come up, they again flap their wing, jump when they just jump out of the water, they flap their wing just one or twice, and they again went to dive again in the water for fishing. Penguins cannot breathe under water, though they are able to hold their breath for a long time. Now penguins cannot breathe under water, but they can hold their breath for a long time. Penguins mostly eat fish. Penguins mostly eat fish. A penguin's beak has a hook at the end which helps it to catch fish. Penguins' favorite food is fish. And how they catch the fish? In the penguin's beak there is a hook. There is a hook kind of thing which helps them to catch the fish. Penguins drink salt water. Penguins drink salt water, the water which is salty. As soon as the mother penguin lay its eggs, it dashes out for dinner, leaving the male to watch the nest. Now here there is a family. So when the mother penguin lays egg, and then after laying the egg, she will soon run for the dinner, and the eggs will be not left alone. The male, the father penguin, is watching the nest. This father penguin is keeping a watch on their nest. When the female returns, it's the male turn to go looking for food, leaving the female with the eggs. Now when the mother penguin returns, what happened? The male go to fishing for food, to collect the fishes for their food, leaving the female with the egg. When the chick hatches, it immediately starts calling so that its parents will learn to recognize its voice. Now what happened? When the egg is hatching, Slowly it cracks and the chicks are coming out, and immediately they start calling. They make that voice, and according to that voice the parents will recognize that they are their children. So this was a short story about penguins. What do they eat? How do they swim? How do they lay eggs? Who is taking care of the family? Who take cares of the food? All this is there in this small chapter, that is Satya Watch Out, page number 11. This is the part 1. Now in the second part we will be doing the exercises. Till then you please read this story again. Thank you, children.